this lecture, we will discuss about static var compensators. When the voltage at a bus falls below the reference value, capacitive vars are to be injected. On the other hand, when the bus voltage becomes higher than the reference value, then inductive vars are supplied to lower the bus voltages. The types of SVCs are thyristor controlled reactor, that is TCR, thyristor switched capacitor, that is TSC, fixed capacitor, that is FC, which is also known as thyristor controlled reactor, thyristor switched capacitor, TSC, or thyristor controlled reactor, TCR. Moving on to the first one, that is thyristor controlled reactor, TCR. The TCR scheme is used in EHV lines for providing lagging vars during low load or low rejections. The current through the reactor can be varied by controlling the firing angle of back-to-back thyristors connected in the series with the reactor. It can be shown by this equation: ILF alpha is equal to V by omega L 1 minus 2 upon pi alpha minus 1 upon pi sin 2 alpha. The variation of fundamental TCR current with the delay angle alpha is shown in this diagram, and the back-to-back firing angle control with the thyristor is being shown in this diagram. Here the current for different firing angles is shown. For different firing angle and various currents, the voltage versus omega t is shown. Then admittance BL alpha is equal to 1 upon omega L 1 minus 2 upon pi alpha minus 1 upon pi sin 2 alpha. So the voltage versus current graph is shown where VL max and IL max are being plotted. Moving on to the thyristor switched capacitor, that is TSC. The current through the capacitor can be varied by controlling the firing angles of back-to-back thyristors connected in series with the capacitor. Thus, this scheme is used in EHV lines for providing loading vars during high loads. Here you can see that the direction of the current is being changed. The next one is fixed capacitor, thyristor controlled reactor, TCR. This scheme provides discrete loading vars from the capacitor and continuously lagging vars from thyristor controlled reactor. Capacitors and the reactors are here. This acts as an high pass filter. In leading vars are supplied by two or more capacitor banks. The current through the reactor can be varied by controlling the firing angles of back-to-back pairs of thyristors connected in series with the reactor. The VI characteristic can be seen by this diagram. Next one is the TSC TCR. Here TSC are in a pair and TCR are also in a pair. This is the filter. During heavy loads, TSC are made to conduct for longer duration in each cycle. So, leading vars are provided by TSC during heavy loads. During low loads, TCR are made to conduct for long duration in each cycle. So, lagging vars are provided by TCR during low loads.